Pull the drawer all the way out. On the underside of the drawer, there are 2 tabs. Pull the tabs towards the outside of the drawer. This will release the drawer from the glide. Set the drawer box onto the glides. Gently push back into place. Once you are almost closed, give it one big bump in. Always open and close the drawer again to make sure it functions correctly. The undermount mechanism has some dials you can use to adjust the drawer within the insert. This dial will adjust the drawer from side to side. This dial will adjust the drawer up and down. This dial will adjust the drawer depth.